Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Volkswagen Passat. So from any screen, you've got nav up here. We click on nav, and then you'll see new destination, my destinations, my tours. Now, if I take my hands away from there, you'll see the menu goes at the bottom. So when you first do it, sometimes you're thinking, well, what do I need to do? There isn't anything anywhere. But if you put your hand towards it, you've got the menu comes up at the bottom. Click new destination, United Kingdom. We want city or right. Also, I think this is the postcode one. So if I click on there, you'll see again, very confusing. Enter city, United Kingdom, but I want postcode. Right down at the bottom here in the left-hand side, abbreviated PTCD. So we click on there. Now that allows you to put the postcode in, and we want letters first. So our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, PR. Now we want numbers, so we've got to click the numbers. 5. Now, no doubt it'll want a space. So we'll have to go back to ABC, click a space, back to numbers, 4, back to letters, J, where's the S gone? JS, PR5, 4JS, then we have to click on that, and then we have to click start.
The roads are being calculated.
So it's a bit confusing. The
Please
first,
select a route.
if you just want to get there or thereabouts, the PR5 would have done. Because it's only got 2 digits in our postcode, you've got to put a space in. So if you remember that when you're working it, you won't go far wrong. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.